Welcome to The Garden, a channel on practical solutions for turning data into information. As a data analyst, your work will often involve pulling and combining data from multiple tables. In this video, we will combine data from our player stat table with information on opposing team defensive ranking. Our data set has three fields: the full name of the team, a code made of 3 letters unique to each team, and the defensive ranking of the team. Since the 3 letters code is common to both the player stat table and the defensive ranking table, it will serve as our connector. Next, let's join our tables and store the output in a variable called join tables. To accomplish this goal, we will use the join method of the table object. The first 2 arguments correspond to the first table and the field containing our connector. Argument 3 and 4 correspond to the second table and the name of the connector in table 2. The last argument determines which result to return in our richer dataset. By selecting an inner joint, our final dataset will contain observation for which the 3 letters code was found in both the player stat table and the defensive ranks table. Now, we have a much richer dataset. For each player and game played, we have the defensive ranking of the opposing team. Thank you for watching this video. Join the community for more content on practical solutions for turning data into information.